Good Monday. I keep wanting to say Friday. I don't know why. Good Monday afternoon, everybody. Feels like a Friday, I guess, for me. Not really. Another week. November 18th. It's a Monday. We'll be having a wonderful day. I'm not. I'm trying to do all these things and places and... Hi. Welcome back. And welcome back to Andrew Bamlett.
Hello.
Andrew, it's
I'm
a
here.
lot different when you're not here.
Yeah?
I mean, obviously, it's different, but
Scott doesn't want to talk.
no.
He's such a Debbie Downer.
And it's just, he talks in my ear, so I went back and watched this, and yeah, I was like,
You kind of look a little crazy, essentially, because you can't hear Scott's side of the story.
So, yeah.
I'm here for you, Jeremy.
I'm glad you're back. We're getting into we're getting close here to the holidays already,
Yes.
Andrew. What's the big ticket item for the family, for the boys? We'll just pick on the boys here, not the girls.
Big ticket items
Yeah, what
that we're going to get or what they want?
What are they asking for? No, let's go with what they're asking for.
What they're asking for? Well, of course they want more Nintendo Switches. 'Cause they
Switches.
want their own, and essentially, is what they're going for.
Let me tell you what Lily keeps asking.
What's that?
So she's like bought into Santa like 100 times over.
Yeah.
And when I say bought in, like she was already in, but she understands the concept.
Like
now.
what Santa does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so we can use that to our advantage and say, clean up your room or Santa's.
Yeah.
But she keeps thinking Santa's outside, so she goes and runs and look out the window.
Oh, he like always watching. Yeah.
Later,
Yeah.
But she keeps, I want this Barbie dream house.
Yeah.
She keeps
Barbie, yeah.
big Barbie
Yeah.
house thing. I was like,
Yeah.
oh,
Nice.
you don't even have a Barbie.
What
but-
about so do you do the elf on the shelf?
No, never tried it.
Us either.
We've talked about it, but never done it.
Yeah.
So
Could be
Yeah.
interesting.
just find it. I just is
Yeah.
thinking about the boys. It'd be
Yeah.
interesting now to see what they want.
Games
And more games.
and toys.
Yeah, I was talking with David Hill down at Senior Center about
Mhm.
a bike too, because I'm looking at a bike as well.
Hmm. Like a bicycle.
Yep.
Yeah.
Try to figure out. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's all I know from the weekend. I told you I tried to get the holiday lights up, and I got 3 strands up, and then it started snowing, and it was already
It
dangerous
wasn't very
enough.
nice out, yeah.
There's still some patches of snow, which really were ice on the roof,
Mhm.
so when I was up there, it was limited.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just one side had it on. I was like,
Right.
come on.
I built a pantry over the weekend, so there you go. Like just the easy put together ones, a little more storage.
Pre-built, huh?
The prefab ones in a box that you just put together with some screws.
Hey, no worries.
Hey,
I
needed some extra space.
Right? Hey, well, yeah. Bamlet Barn, you got to have it. Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More storage.
More storage. We need more storage.
Always.
We got a busy show here for you today.
We do.
We'll get you updated on your Verona Road construction update here in just a few minutes. Plus, we'll take a look back at final year heating prep. I cannot stress it enough. I know we've had cold temperatures, all of that fun jazz, but we want to make sure that you're ready for the heating season. So we're going to head back out with our friends at All Comfort Services, and we'll get you ready for that cold season. All right, but first, let's turn to our headlines. We start with the weather. Yeah. How grateful has that weather been? Weather. Another batch of
Not
light
grateful.
I'm not upset at all or bitter. Another batch of light snow is expected to overspread the area late tonight, continuing into Tuesday morning. While amounts will be light, generally around a half an inch or so, the timing will likely result in some impacts on your Tuesday morning commute if you work or school. And be prepared for a few slick spots, especially on bridges, overpasses, and untreated roadways. The timing of that looks like it's coming in here overnight, about 2 or 3 a.m., so darn it. Can't catch a break when it comes to snow. That's all I'm saying. But that's where we're at, so you got that. But at least the temperatures-wise, still getting up into the mid-40s, so we'll take it here. We've already had to adjust to that. Now we're just like, that's sweatshirt weather now or whatever. Maybe it's a short sleeve sweatshirt. Put the sweatshirt around your waist, when it hits 44. Just saying. All right, citywide open house on the comprehensive plan updates happening November 20th. This will be here at City Hall. It's at 6:30 p.m. Come on out to the council chambers where you'll learn about the comprehensive plan, where it's at. We had all the neighborhood open houses before, and now this is the open house on the whole kick-a-caboodle. So come on out. Presentation starts at 6:30. We'll have that for you over on the Gov channel F3. Partner with Safe Kids has been announced. It's part of now taking part of the old Fitchburg Fire Station #1, and it says here on a Facebook post from the fire department, so proud of our partnership with the Safe Kids, UW Health, and American Family Children's Hospital, bringing pediatric injury prevention and risk reduction to Fitchburg and its surrounding communities and school districts. So we'll bring you more information on that when it happens, but I've been waiting to tell you about that for a while now, and there it is. All right, Give Thanks Community Meal is coming up. It's on November 26th. It's hosted by the Boys and Girls Club annually. On the 26th, starting at 6 p.m., you can stop out at Genuine Road here in Fitchburg at the Boys and Girls Club for a delicious and free meal. Come on out to enjoy all the fixins and some activities as well at the Allied Family Center Boys and Girls Club. Again, that's here in Fitchburg. Team Emma. Want to finish out with kind of a heartbreaking story here, but posted by the Fitchburg Police Department. And it reads here, tonight, the hearts of thousands of humans and canines around the world ache with the passing of Emma. Diagnosed with a rare inoperable brain tumor at age 7, Emma's simple wish was to see pictures of people's dogs to help put a smile on her face. Thousands of dogs sent their well wishes. The world got to see just how amazing and courageous and kind Emma was. While so many of us were fortunate to be able to follow and be inspired by Emma's bravery, a select group, including Officer Parker and K-9 Drago, were even more fortunate to meet and call this amazing little girl their friend. Officer Parker and K-9 Drago had the chance to spend time with Emma on several occasions, including during her hospital stay in Madison at her home and on her 8th birthday. When Emma returned to school this fall, she drew this picture of Emma's dad shared with Officer Parker, and you can see that there on the right. And it says this too here, inspired by Emma's passion for helping animals. The Mertens family announced that Emma's Love for Dogs Foundation of her 8th birthday. The mission of the foundation is to fund organizations that share Emma's passion for helping animals, including non-kill shelters and police canine units. For more information, you can find that at emmalovesdogs.org. I remember when they had that visit, they had posted up a picture, but sorry for the loss to that family, but her message will live on. All right, we're going to take a quick break. Coming up next, we open up the digest with your Verona Road construction update. But first, here's a look at the meetings happening this upcoming week.